salamat po sa pagstay. Kuya Tim Ngani by GP Channel, highly appreciated po. Sir GFC TV, Ate Maria Pinay Germany, Ate Myrna Alcantara, Sir Rolando Emnasis Vlogs, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po Ate Helen's Vlog Official, Ate Smiling Face Channel, maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Zook. Thank you so much. Sir Kukudo. Sir Gorilla, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po Ate Maria Pinay in Germany sa palipad, sa regalo po. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po. Ma'am Aramia, highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Ate Irene's Diary sa support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Ate Amelia, Ate Amis Vlog Entertainment sa support at pagmamahal. Thank you so much Sir Bipin Panday Vlogs from India. Highly appreciated your support. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Lucy Duro. Highly appreciated po ang inyong support at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po Sir Hins Mix Vlog kay Sir HLJ Deep Hybrid Vlog po ito. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa support Sir. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Sir Herber Partners Vlog kay Sir HLJ Deep Hybrid Vlog po ito. Maraming salamat po Sir Farmers Life OFW kay Sir HLJ Deep Hybrid Vlog ulit. Maraming salamat po Sir Sharnox. Highly appreciated po ang inyong support at pagmamahal po. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Luzby TV Vlog sa support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Sir HLJ Karaoke Mix Version. Highly appreciated po. Ayan. Maraming salamat po Sir Krutisay. Sir Krutisay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa support. Ate Smiling Face Channel, Ate Helen's Vlog Official, Ate Myrna Alcantara, Sir Manny Sibilyar, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Ma'am Rami Chan, highly appreciated. Thank you for your support and love to our videos and live presentation. Highly appreciated. Maraming salamat po Sir ER Kabayan PWD Vlog from Italy. Maraming salamat po sa lagi nyo pong pag-tune in sa aming live. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Karen Nadera, isa po sa ating member. Maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal nyo po. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Feliz Cooking Vlog sa support at pagmamahal. Ayan. Nagbabackread na po ako dahil mag-e-end na po tayo. Maraming salamat po Ate Ams Vlog 0722 from Hong Kong. Maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal Ma'am Ams Vlog 0722. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na sumuporta po sa aming 8 hours live presentation for today. That's all for today po. Balikan ko po kayong lahat after half hour or 1 hour po. That's all for today po. Bye-bye po sa ating lahat. Happy 36th birthday po sa akin. Isa po kayo sa aking inspirasyon. Maraming salamat po at nakilala ko po kayo sa aking 36 years of existence. Ayan. So that's all for today's live presentation. Ingat po tayong lahat. Bye-bye po. Support ko po kayo palagi. Maraming salamat po Ate Maria